One of the things I want to do better is getting out of bed quicker. A lot of mornings I struggle to get out of bed even after getting a full night's rest. I've been better recently compared to how I was most of the past year, but one thing I found that works, keeping my phone in the studio. I don't keep it next to me. I'm not tempted to roll over and scroll on Instagram forever and let my morning pass by and then end up wondering where all the time went. I've directly found I'm much more productive in the morning, getting tasks I need to get done accomplished, and also much more awake in general when I have to get up and start my morning routine and not lay in bed for an hour. As much as I rely on this for a lot of things as part of being a creator, it's also a curse. And that's number one. Cutting mindless phone use. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year. Yeah, Happy New Year 2022. That's crazy. This channel is already almost 9 months old. That's absolutely bananas. You guys have a good holiday. You see your family and friends. If you didn't see your family and friends, definitely be sure to check in with them. You know, life's too short and crazy sometimes. You gotta check on your friends and family. So obviously around this time of year, people are putting together their New Year's resolutions and goals for the year. So I thought I would basically go over my goals for 2022 for my life and for my brand. One of my goals for 2022 is consistency. 2021 was another one of those crazy years, and I really wasn't as consistent with the things I wanted to be. I was slacking off in the gym a lot. I was putting content creation first, and I really don't want to have that happen for 2022. I want to be more consistent, but there is also a balance. To be more consistent with my photography and sharing my work on the Instagram, I still have to find a balance of still getting into the gym and not basically wasting my day just working on photos. I gotta basically work on both at the same time. Last year, I would basically skip the gym for a week, just focusing on content creation, and then feel guilty about not getting into the gym, or vice versa, where I would go to the gym and then basically not get anything done for the channel or for my Instagram. So my next goal for this year connects right with consistency, and that's growth. You know, you can't have growth really without consistency. And I want to actually grow my brand a little bit, you know, the channel, my Instagram, photography. I want to see if I can actually gain some local clients and, you know, people that I can shoot their cars, or even just maybe talk to local businesses. Just, you know, getting experience as an amateur photographer is one of my biggest goals for this year. By doing this, hopefully by word of mouth and with social media, this growth will lead to more growth, and it'll actually, you know, help me grow my business by people sharing my content, you know, scaling up, if you will. On top of that, I'm hopefully planning on making a website this year to actually showcase my work rather than just throwing it up on Instagram and having it cropped down to a really small format. I want people to actually be able to see the details in my pictures. Another goal for this year is gonna be focus, and that also pertains to numerous things. You know, I wanna actually focus on spending time with things that truly matter to me. You know, Ashley, the dogs, my friends, my family, you know, and not get frustrated on things that really don't truly matter and then I can't control. I want to focus on doing that while also still trying to balance, you know, the rest of my life. I want to try to focus more on doing things that make me happy and not worrying what other people are doing with their creations. You know, obviously in a video I made a few weeks ago, I did mention that, you know, I do watch other creators for inspiration, but this past year I did do a lot more watching of other people than I did do even, you know, creating for myself. So that's one thing I want to get better at this year. Another goal for this year I'm going to try to do is drink less coffee. Nah. A bonus one that I'm saving for you guys for last, because in the grand scheme of things, it's not really that important compared to the other ones, but hopefully, some exciting changes happening to the car. We'll see, but exciting nonetheless. If you have any goals that you'd like to accomplish for 2022, I'd love to hear from you guys. Throw in the comments below. I'd love to see what you guys are about. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to smack the like button. It does help me out, and subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.